Introduction to the operation plan is to design the proper operating system to meet quality product, to minimize the cost and increase the profit. Production activity will be efficient and consistent. There is 10 important aspects in operation. First, capacity planning. To machine and equipment, how many machine required. Third, human resources, how many workers are needed. Fourth, raw material, how much or type of material needed. 5, process and system. 6, production schedule. 7, quality, how to produce high quality product or service. 8, layout. 9, location, where to set up the business. Lastly, budget, how much budget. For the first aspect, capacity planning. Capacity such as unit, project size or booking. For calculate the operation capacity ratio, we can use this formula. Capacity use divide by total availability capacity times 100%. NKO indicated production operation ability. Second, underutilized or increased capacity. Third, capacity budget, purchase machine or increase manpower.
Next, number 2, machine or equipment planning. Depends on business operation type. First, supplier and machine. Know of machine meet current and medium term demand. Then technology life cycle. Meet sellable product, technology knowledge. Then maintain spare and after sales service. Then last machine life cycle and brand. Okay. Next, number 3, manpower requirement and planning. Divide to direct and indirect labor. Then decide direct labor. Example, permanent, contract and part-time. Number 3, period of contract or part-time labor. Then labor salary or reward. Example, expected experience and current market rate. Next, number 4, raw material requirement planning. Material needs, example, material needs production, retail and stock service. 60 to 80% production cost. Then direct and indirect materials. We can purchase decision. Example, quantity, quality, time, supplies and price. Then last, 4 planning step. First, identify and list down the raw material required. Second, prepare the bill of material. Third, calculate the quantity of raw material required. Fourth, identify supplier and purchase method.
Number 5, process or system planning. Process is workflow need to be implemented, such as transform I over P to O over P. System is right production process, tested and proven to meet specification and quality standard. Production system benefit to smooth production process, control cost and quality, improve productivity. There are 3 production types. First, booking. Number 2 is cluster and 3, flow. Number 6, production schedule. Production schedule is to make quantity specified and time plan according to sale forecast. Next is periods. Next, 6 months advantage. Finished product inventory as a buffer and avoid wastage and lost customer demand. Number 7 is quality in production. Quality in production is quality management, customer satisfaction, loyalty, quality standard. Number 2 is focus on cost of quality and prevention. Product design and specification, continuous improvement such as Kaizen. Quality practice such as QCC, SQC, SPC, TPM, JIT, and 5F. Number 3 is quality as a business strategy such as competitive advantage. Number 4 is TQM or ISO, regression, benchmarking, balance, scoreboard, and EVA.
So the next aspect in operational is layout. Layout means organize operational space such as machine equipment, raw material allocation, workspace, work in process, and finished products. There are 9 layout planning. First is assemble machinery, equipment GKP or local authority requirement. 2 is operational process must be sequenced, smooth movement, avoid waste time and defect. Number 3 is finished product are classified. Number 4 is customer friendly and convenience. Number 5 is convenience space and reduce movement time. Number 6 is easy measuring, maintenance and space cleaning. Number 7 is easy supervisory job. Number 8 is use optimal space utilized. Number 9 is take consideration on future needs. So we continue this presentation. This slide is explain about consideration in select operational location or premises. Before you want to open a business or premise, you must follow this factor. Factor number 1 is customer distance. Number 2 is supply raw materials. Number 3 is infrastructure facilities. Number 4 is manpower supply. And lastly is purchase cost, site or premises rental consideration.
Now we continue with operational cost. First, operational cost equal with direct material cost plus direct labor cost and plus with overhead cost. The meaning of direct material cost is the money spent on materials that are directly used to produce the product or service. Next is the direct labor cost, the money paid as wage, salaries and benefits to the workers involved directly in the production of the product or service. For the last one is overhead cost, include rent, insurance, wage of indirect labor, maintenance and depreciation. Seterusnya adalah contoh pengiraan kos pengeluaran. Di sini terdapat 4 kolom. Kolom pertama mengandungi pengeluaran produk X. Yang kedua adalah bulan Januari 30 hari. Yang ketiga adalah kapasiti pengeluaran setahun 500,000 unit. Pertama sekali kita boleh tengok kat sini adalah bahan mentah yang digunakan 200 kg, iaitu 1 kilo jatuh kepada 60 sen. So total adalah 12,000. Seterusnya adalah upah pekerja. Di sini dia letak RM30 sehari, yang mengandungi 8 orang pekerja. Total keseluruhan adalah 7,200. Seterusnya adalah bahan api pengeluaran. So dia letak kat sini total adalah sebanyak RM600. Seterusnya adalah jumlah kos langsung, iaitu total keseluruhan 19,800. Penyelenggaraan setahun total adalah sebanyak RM3,000. Seterusnya adalah susun nilai aset tetap setahun yang mengandungi 8,125. Dan akhir sekali adalah lain overhead setahun, iaitu RM1,200.
Now I will explain about operation budget. There are 3 items in this operations budget. First is fixed asset cost. This cost is cost of buildings, or buying the operation space such as factory, shop, etc. and any relevant renovation work as well as the purchase of machines and equipment. Second is monthly expenses. This is cover material cost, remuneration and all the factory overhead. Third is other expenses which are deposit on factory rental, deposit utilities, insurance, etc. Seterusnya, ini merupakan contoh anggaran bajet pengeluaran. Di bawah bajet ini terdapat dua jenis perbelanjaan iaitu belanja modal dan modal kerja. Belanja modal merangkumi ubah suai kilang, mesin dan peralatan pengeluaran, perabot dan kelengkapan dan lain-lain peralatan pengeluaran. Manakala modal kerja merangkumi belian bahan mentah, gaji atau upah pekerja pengeluaran, sewa kilang, elektrik atau bahan api kilang dan penyelenggaraan bangunan atau mesin. Untuk mendapatkan jumlah bajet pengeluaran, belanja modal haruslah ditambah dengan modal kerja. Sekian, terima kasih.